Hello, my dear children. Welcome into the Winkisar Physics, the finest and easiest way to learn the basics of physics. In previous video, we discussed the introduction of physics basics. In this video, we will discuss measurements, foundation of science, physics class 9th, first chapter, measurements. Measurements. Before going to discuss about this measurement, we need to discuss about what is science. What is science? First definition. Coming to the definition of science, science which is defined systematic attempt to understand the natural phenomena. Yes, my dear children, systematic attempt to understand the natural phenomena. Systematic attempt to understand the natural phenomena is called science. So here phenomenon is there. Okay. What is phenomenon? Phenomenon is an event which occurs around us. What, my dear children? Phenomenon is an event which occurs around us. Suppose I thrown an object upside. Okay, see, moves up and fall down. Okay, see here, this is an event. This is an event occurred by the force and gravity. This is called phenomena. So phenomenon is an event occur around us. Okay, the word science from Latin. The word science derived from Latin. Scientia. Meaning to know. Okay, similar meaning is knowledge. Understand, my children? Systematic attempt to understand the natural phenomena is called science. Phenomenon is an event which occur around us. So example, any object fall down, and if we are apply force on the door will turn. Okay, these are the example for phenomena. So coming to physics. So what is physics, my dear children? Yes, it is a branch of science. Okay, so which is defined as study of physics is defined as study of law of nature. Physics which is defined study of laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. So understand, my children, study of laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena is called physics. Okay, which is one of the branch of science. Okay, so the word physics which is taken by Greek. So meaning nature. The word physics, which is derived from Greek. So the meaning of physics is nature. In physics, we will discuss about any matter or anything which deals with small to very large. Okay, in physics we will discuss very small to very large. Okay, so in physics we discussed about every phenomena, every matter, very small to very large. Example, I will explain one example. Okay, so you know electron. Okay, electron. So matter is made up of atom. Okay, so that atom consists of nuclei, central part. Nuclei contain neutrons, protons. Around the nuclei, electrons are revolving. Okay, so this is nuclei. Around the nuclei, electrons are revolving. Okay, so atom is invisible. Atom we can see, but electrons, which is invisible, we can't see with the naked eye. Okay, so mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Okay, means very small mass material. And mass of the universe. Okay, mass of the universe. See here, mass of the observed universe, not exact. Mass of the observed universe is 10 power 55 kilogram. 10 power 55 kilogram. Okay, see here, in physics we will discuss every matter and every phenomena very small to very large. Here consider one electron. So mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, and mass of the universe is 10 power 55 kg. Here very small, and this is very large. Coming to our main chapter, measurement. Okay, what is measurement? First of all, measurement. Okay, already discussed yesterday. Okay, measurement is a comparison between unknown quantity with known quantity. Comparison between unknown with known quantity, known physical quantity. Is called measurement. Comparison of physical quantity, unknown with known. So I will give one example. Okay, see here, how we can buy any fruits or vegetable. Okay, so if we ask kilogram tomato or 2 kilogram tomato. Okay, see here, if we will ask directly give tomato some amount. Okay, so it is not possible. Okay, they will give all. They will not give all. Okay, see here, they ask how many kgs. Okay, like that. Okay, if you ask 1 kilogram, means they compare with iron stone. So on one side iron stone is there, another side vegetable is there. So by comparing, if both are equal, okay, so same amount of fruits or vegetable, okay, you will take. Okay, you will receive from there. Okay, understand this? We can say example of measurement, comparison of physical quantity with known quantity with unknown quantity. Okay, comparison, we can say that is measurement. And here, what is physical quantity? So physical quantity, which is defined as measurable measurable quantities are called measurable quantities are called physical quantities. Measurable quantities are called whatever we can measure, that quantity we can say physical quantity. Example, okay, speed we can measure, mass we can measure, length we can measure, okay, etc. Many is there. Okay. So and one more thing, except feelings, remaining quantities are physical quantities we can measure. Okay, except feelings we can't measure. Representation of physical quantity. Yes, representation of physical quantity. Okay, so how we can represent, my children? Okay, so suppose in kirana shop we have to take some amount of sugar. Okay, example, sugar, how many kg? 2 kg. Okay, here physical quantity we have to write P is equal to NU. Okay, so P is physical quantity. N is called numerical value. U is called unit. Okay, understand, my children? Okay, example, sugar is a physical quantity. Okay, we can measure by using mass. Okay, see here, which is mass. So which is product of two number and unit. Okay, so here numerical, here kg is the unit, my children. Here sugar is a physical quantity which having mass. Okay, understand, my children? Okay, this is the representation of physical quantity. Okay, so one more thing when I need to discuss with you. Suppose we can change the values. Physical quantity P is equal to N1, U1 is equal to N2, U2. Okay, see here 2 kg is there, 2 kg sugar. See, if the number is high, unit is less. If the number is low or less, unit value is rises. Means less number, greater unit. 2 kg means 2000 grams. Okay, understand? Here number is less, number decreases, unit increases. Number increases, unit decreases. Understand? So in any physical quantity, okay, number is less, unit is high. Okay, number is more, unit is less. Okay, understand? Comparative kg, gram is the less part. Okay, comparative 2000, 2 is the less part. Physical quantity types, my dear children. Types of physical quantities. Okay, so physical quantity which are derived, which are split, which are coming to types of physical quantity. Okay, physical quantity which are categorized by 2 parts. What are they? Fundamental physical quantity are base quantities, and another one derived physical quantities. Okay, PQ means physical quantities. Okay, see here, physical quantities is categorized by two parts: fundamental physical quantity, derived physical quantity. Okay, coming to, so define fundamental physical quantity. So what is fundamental physical quantity? Okay, see here, fundamental physical quantity which are defined as fundamental quantities, fundamental physical quantity which is defined as the quantities which does not derived from the other quantity, or which do not depends upon other quantities. Okay, base quantities or fundamental quantities do not depends upon other quantities. Example, my children. Examples: mass, length, time, etc. Okay, so these are the quantities which do not derived from the others, which do not depends upon other quantities. Next, derived quantities, derived physical quantity. Okay, derived physical quantities. Derived physical quantity which is defined as the quantities which is derived from the fundamental physical quantities, which are derived from fundamental physical quantities. Okay, so the quantities which are derived from fundamental physical quantities is called derived physical quantity. Okay, examples. So here, example, density means mass divided by length whole cube. So mass per unit volume is there. Volume means length cube. Okay, length whole power 3. So speed, velocity. So momentum, energy. Okay, these are the examples of derived physical quantities. Coming to unit, my children. Say unit which is defined as the standard physical quantity chosen to measure the physical quantity of the same kind. Okay, so unit is a standard amount of physical quantity chosen to measure the physical quantity of the same kind is called unit. Okay, so unit is a standard amount of physical quantity chosen to measure the physical quantity of the same kind is called unit. Okay, example. Okay, so how we can measure mass? How we can measure mass? With the help of kg. It is a physical quantity, it is the unit. Okay, so kilogram is used to measure the mass. Coming to essential requirement of unit. So first one, suitable size. Suitable size. Okay, see here, the unit should be suitable in size. Okay, suitable in size. So if we need to take any fruits or vegetables, okay, so how they can measure with a small size of the stone. Okay, understand? Suppose 1 kilogram stone is big. If it is big size, okay, it is impossible to maintain. Okay, so always units should be lesser in size, my children. Understand? So suitable size. And second one is easily accessible. Okay, see here, easily accessible means, so everyone can accept it easily. Okay, suppose we need to sell any matter or amount of mass, okay, sugar or anything. So if we can say that unit on particular value, so everybody can access. Okay, that's why, so we can say easily accessible. Everyone can accessible. In India, in other country, 1 kilogram means 1000 grams. Coming to third one, not vary with time. Third one, not vary with time. Okay, so unit will not change with respect to time. Okay, unit will not change with respect to time. Fourth one, easily reproducible. Fourth one, easily reproducible. Okay, so already I discussed it. Okay, so if any person can lose the kilogram stone, okay, he make the same mass of the rock stone. Okay, so if rock stone is there, they cut it small part and they measure, so equal amount of weight or kilogram. Okay, so they are used like 1 kilogram. So somebody used stick to measure the length. Okay, they measure standard 100 centimeters or 50 centimeters, like that. They used stick and they measure any length like. Fifth one, not depends upon physical conditions, like temperature, pressure, value. Okay, so these are the physical quantities: temperature, pressure, value. Unit will not depends upon the physical condition, temperature, pressure, volume. Suppose in winter time 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. In summer time also 1 kilogram having 1000 grams. To types of units. Okay, so like physical quantities can broadly divided into two types, like that. Here units which are divided into two types. What are they? Means fundamental units or base units. Okay, next derived units. Okay, understand? See here, fundamental units, derived units. So units are classified into two types: fundamental units, derived units. Okay, one more is there, supplementary units. Okay, so it will come +1 and +2. Okay, so two quantities is there for supplementary physical quantity. See here, fundamental units which are defined as units of fundamental physical quantities. The units, what are the units having fundamental physical quantity? We call it fundamental units. Example for mass is there, kilogram. Kilogram is fundamental unit. Okay, length, meter. Next, time is there, time, second. Okay, kilogram, mass, second is the fundamental units. Okay, next, derived units. So derived units which are defined as the units of derived physical quantities. Units of derived physical quantities. Okay, example what Nana? Speed is derived quantities. Speed is derived quantity. So which is derived from length by time. Length means meter, time means second. Okay, so here speed is derived physical quantity. Then density, mass per volume. Mass means what, Nana? Kilogram. Mass divided by length whole cubed. Okay, so kilogram divided by meter cubed. Okay, kilogram per meter cubed is the unit of density which is derived unit. Might tell. System of units. Okay, system of units means a set of units which measure the physical quantity. Okay, a set of or a small branch of units which is used to measure the physical quantities, different physical quantities. Okay, see here, before 1971, so we can have three system of units. Okay, first one, FPS. Okay, FPS. Okay, so this we can say British system. Okay, so F means foot, Nana. Foot. P means pound. S means second. Means length, pound mass. Second means time. Okay, next, second one, CGS system. CGS system is called Gaussian. System. In Gaussian system, C means centimeter, G means gram, S means second. Okay, centimeter, gram, second. Okay, understand, my children? It is called Gaussian system. And the third one, MKS system. Okay, means metric system. My dear children. In metric system, okay, here M is the meter, K is the kilogram, Okay, S is the second. S is the second medicine. Okay, British system, Gaussian system, metric system. Okay, FPS, CGS, MKS. Foot to pound to second, FPS. Centimeter, gram, second, CGS, Gaussian system. Meter, kilogram, second, MKS system, metric system. Fourth one, international system of units. Okay, so how to take SI system. Okay, SI system. Okay, understand, already I said, okay, before 1971, so there is a three system to measure the physical quantity, three set of system. Okay, so somewhat difficult is there, so that's why scientists are together in Paris and they generalize that MKS system. Okay, so in this SI system, okay, they produced seven fundamental physical quantities of units. Okay, and two supplementary and many up to 90 derived units. Derived physical quantities, units, they are discussed, they are produced. Okay, understand, coming to, so here this system of international SI system, okay, they generalized that seven fundamental units, seven fundamental quantities and two supplementary quantities, then remaining up to 90 derived physical quantities, Table, SI units of fundamental physical quantities. Okay, so here according to international system of units, okay, so we discussed it in 1971, they generalized MKS. Okay, so if any if you need any quantity of any unit you want, so you need to go Paris, and so you choose unit and you can make one duplicate, they will give one duplicate with money. Okay, so you reproducible that units. Okay, so in India, okay, NPL, National Physical Laboratory, in NPL, National Physical Laboratory in Delhi. Okay, so if we go there, means, so we have number of units like fundamental derived units. Okay, so by comparing that we have to get that quantities. Okay, understand, coming to table SI system of SI units of fundamental quantities. Okay, see here, fundamental quantities 7 according to SI. Okay, see here, serial number, physical quantity, unit, symbol, serial number 1, mass. Okay, serial number 1, physical quantity is mass, unit is kilogram. So what is the symbol? kg. Second one, length. So what is the unit? Meter. Length, meter. Symbol, small m. small m. Okay, understand my children? Yes. This is table. Make it notes. And the third one, time, my dear children. Time, second. Yes. Next, fourth one, temperature. So unit is Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin is scientist name. So that unit is capital K. Okay, understand? Fifth one, current. Electric current. Ampere. So here Kelvin scientist name, Ampere scientist name. That's why we need to write capital A. Okay, understand? So if scientist name is there, so we have to use symbol is with capital. Okay, sixth one, luminous intensity. Luminous intensity means which is related to light. Okay, intensity of light. Okay, so unit is candela. Okay, CD. Okay, next, seventh one, amount of substance. Okay, mole. MOLE. Okay, MOL. Yes. Okay, so here 7 fundamental physical quantities, 2 supplementary physical quantities, and up to 90 derived quantities is there. So this is very important table. Okay, serial number, physical quantity, unit, symbol. So serial number 1, mass kilogram kg, length meter m, time second s, temperature Kelvin K, current ampere A, luminous intensity candela CD, amount of substance mole and MOL. Okay, here see here amount of substance. So for small matter, okay, so less amount we have to take in the form of mole. So what is mole? Okay, what is mole? Mole means, so this mole means 1/12th part of 1/12th part of carbon. Okay, 1/12th part of carbon atom. Okay, is called, which is referred mole. Okay, otherwise in any system 6.023 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules per mole. Okay, molecules per mole. We have to say Avogadro number. Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules are present. We can say that is 1 mole. Okay, my children. So up to here today class completed. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow. Thank you for watching Venki Sir Physics online physics basics course.